Hey everybody! I'm here today with a video of myself deep cleaning a couch cushion with my Bissell Spot Clean Professional Wet Vac Extractor. This will be a super easy tutorial and demonstration, so let's get right into the video. What I've loaded up into the wet vac over here is just plain warm water, okay? Now you can use different cleaning solutions, but as you can see, this couch cushion it doesn't have any stains or anything like that, but I like to do this to my couch cushions every once in a while. Give them a nice deep clean because there's lots of dust that gets caught in here. If I tap this, you're gonna see there's quite a bit of dust probably that you can probably catch on camera that is moving off there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray it with the water, we're gonna extract it, and you're gonna be able to see that satisfying extraction by just watching over here, okay? So I'm gonna turn the unit on. It is quite loud, so I'm probably not gonna talk throughout it, but I will turn it off if I ever need to say anything. So we're gonna spray this, extract it, see what it looks like, and we're gonna see the coloration of the water that's coming out, how dirty it is. Even though the couch cushion looks clean, believe me, it's probably pretty dirty because over the years, it just gets dusty. Let's get right into this, okay? Let's start this up. Let's start up this wet vac extractor. Look at that. So as you're seeing right here, it's not that it is super dirty, but the water was discolored. It's not like the water was perfectly clean coming out of there, okay? And I did spray. I'm gonna have to wipe the floor around here because I did spray it, on the floor a little bit, the hardwood, the parquet over here. So I'm gonna have to wipe it after, but it's all good. We are extracting the dirt and the dust from the cushion. We are deep cleaning it. Let's continue. And this is obviously what it looks like now that it's somewhat dried. Still moist and still damp, but a little bit dry, okay? And this is the completely moist part. Let's continue. Oh yeah, look at that. Say is wow, okay? The water was definitely more dirtier than I thought. It was definitely not more dirtier, that's not a correct term. That water was definitely dirtier than I thought. The couch cushion now at this point is just a little bit damp, so I'm not gonna be putting it back on the couch today. I'm gonna let it dry somewhere off to the side, but like I said, I could have used, if there was a stain, I could have used different solutions, but I like to use this machine with just water. It works really, really well to remove any dirt, any dust that's just trapped in the cushions. And I like to do this every once in a while, give my furniture a deep clean. Just really keeps the allergens out, the dust, just keeps everything contained. Yeah, that's it. So I mean, I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to do the other side, and I'm going to do all the edges, but you don't need to see that because you already saw this part right here. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.